In this video, I will show you how to create a line chart in Excel or how to make a line graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. To create a line chart in Excel and visualize trends, organize your data into at least 2 columns. The first column should contain labels such as dates or categories. And the second column should contain values such as the data you want to track. First, click on any cell within your data range. Navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Charts group, click on the line or area chart icon. Choose a line chart style such as 2D or 3D line from the drop-down menu. After this step, a basic line chart will appear on your worksheet. Now, right-click on the chart and select Select Data. Click on Add. Now for the series name, type the title of the value column. Under Series Values, delete the data automatically entered by Excel. Then, holding the left mouse button, click and drag the data you want to include on the vertical axis. Click OK. As you can see, the line graph has already started to form. In the right field, enter the data for the horizontal axis. Click Edit. Mark the cells with the desired data. And click OK. Here you go. We get the desired chart with data on the vertical and horizontal axes. By following these steps, you'll have a clear and visually appealing line chart in no time.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.